Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a golf ball for beginners. To start, ensure your driver is the correct length for your height, typically between 44 and 46 inches. Stand comfortably with your feet about shoulder width apart, creating a stable base. The ball should be teed up so that at least half of it is above the club face when the driver rests on the ground. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and powerful drive. Next, let's talk about your grip. For beginners, either the interlocking or overlapping grip is recommended. Place your lead hand, usually your left for right-handed golfers, on the club first with your thumb pointing down the shaft. Then, position your trail hand, interlocking or overlapping your pinky finger with your lead hand's index finger. Maintain a light yet firm grip, like holding a tube of toothpaste without squeezing it out, to allow for a free-flowing swing. Now, let's refine your stance and ball position. Your feet should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, providing a solid foundation. For a driver, the ball should be positioned off the heel of your lead foot, allowing for an upward strike. Ensure your shoulders, hips, and feet are all aligned parallel to your target line. This alignment is critical for directing the ball accurately towards your intended landing spot, setting you up for success. Finally, let's execute the swing. Begin your backswing by rotating your shoulders and hips, keeping your lead arm relatively straight. At the top, your weight should be primarily on your trail foot. As you start your downswing, shift your weight to your lead side, uncoiling your body towards the target. Strike the ball with a sweeping motion, then follow through completely, finishing with your club wrapped around your body and your weight on your lead foot. This full motion generates maximum power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.